Hello guys, welcome back to the new workshop in Italy. Today we're going to be forging a blacksmith's knife. So let's light the forge, waste no more time talking and get right in. So I'm going to be making the knife out of this 5/16 inch thick coil spring. It's a heck of a coil spring this is. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right there, and that will leave us enough material for the blade here, and then enough to isolate the tang, as if you can call it that, because actually it's an integral handle. It's going to be wrapped around. It rained the other day and we got lots of water in the coal. Doesn't matter though, because it will burn anyway, all that high heat in the forge. Okay, so the first step is going to be to straighten out the piece of steel in the vise. I'll go to the other side. So the first thing I'm going to do is flatten out the blade portion. So now I'm using the cross-peen hammer to spread the material this way and not that way, lengthways or widthways. We're going to flip the blade around, work on this area here, isolate the material here for the tang, and then draw out the material back to wrap around to form the handle. Blade is almost straight. Don't forget touch mark. We're going to let that sit and cool off. We're going to start grinding in the profile of the blade, and then after that we'll move on to grinding in the edges. Oh, it would help if the grinder's plugged in. Here we go. Profile's ground in. Now let's work on rough grinding the edge. So the bevel on the knife is rough ground in, so now it's time to normalise and quench. However, I don't have a quench tank because I left mine in England, but now because I've got the time and space, and I want to make the workshop look nice as well, I'll make a proper quench tank which I'm going to weld up with a piece of flat bar, or plate steel on the bottom, and a tube square around whatever we can find. Yeah, we'll take this. Oops, we've got a leak, so let me put it back in the box quickly. So hopefully now it doesn't leak. That thing kept leaking, unfortunately, so I'll leave it there for now and I'll do it another time. Now I've just temporarily got some oil in this jar. Right, now we'll place the knife, a nice even temperature, on the bricks of the forge, cool off, with a normalising cycle. And then this is 5160 if you didn't know, spring steel, so we don't want to quench it too hot. Quenching! Right, let's check for warps and hopefully we don't have any. It's perfectly straight. Just take off the black quenching coat of oil to watch the tempering colours. And we want to go dark straw, nearly purple but not purple, because this is going to be a work knife, so we want a pretty soft spine and a fairly soft blade as well, otherwise it will crack. And we'll slowly watch for the tempering colours, and then I'll go back in the quench as soon as they come in. We'll start off camera. This has to be done quick. Yeah, that's it. Then if you can see the dark straw purple coming away from the fire, so the lighting's better. You can see that. Okay, let's do finish up grinding and polishing, and then we're done. Here we have our blacksmith style. Hope you guys enjoyed. If so, please consider hitting the subscribe and the like button. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.